Jamaica seeks to accelerate our pace of growth. And we want to have a proficient, technically proficient workforce that can sustain higher value-added investment jobs. So if we are serious about elevating our levels of growth and accelerating our pace of development, we are going to have to produce far more math and science and engineering and technology capable students coming out of our secondary system. And that all starts with teachers.
And so the government of Jamaica has embarked on a program to ensure there's a continuous flow of homegrown talent to fuel investment opportunities and meet the island's growth and development agenda. In steps, the Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics STEM Scholarship Program. The initiative is a partnership involving the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, the premier tertiary education loan provider, the Student Loan Bureau, and Jamaica University College, the island's oldest teacher training institution. The program will see $2.5 billion being invested in the training of 1,250 teachers over the next 5 years.
The provision of this scholarship will foster the development not only of the scholarship recipients, but the nation based on best practices, new trends, and technological innovation garnered through their educational pursuits. Their new knowledge and creative thinking will help to push Jamaica's 2030 vision, making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.
Jamaica is ready for this game change, and these scholarships will support those bright young Jamaicans who are ready to bring their A game to education. There's enough evidence to prove that boys and girls learn differently, and STEM training will equip our teachers with the ability to impart differentiated instructions so that the future men and women will benefit and maximize the process and become part of the engine of change to make Jamaica a great nation.
The foundations being laid by you will continue to develop our country for generations to come. This is definitely a step in the right direction as we strive towards greater levels of efficiency in our education system.
These are full tuition scholarships where all tuition expenses are paid. And so you graduate from high school, you have the courses to matriculate, you walk into Jamaica University College, you don't pay $1 over the next 3 or 4 years, and you walk into a job teaching your fellow Jamaicans.
Prospective scholarship recipients, this is your chance to build a rewarding career as you become the next generation of homegrown innovators and problem solvers.
With these scholarships being offered by the Ministry of Finance, I have faith that Jamaica's young adults seeking assistance to pursue an education in STEM will also be given the opportunity to inspire before they expire.
Face it until you make it. I didn't say fake, Faith. Because with faith and determination, I got through. And because of that, I am a testimony. And I can testify that I am a mathematics teacher who is out here changing lives. And I hope to see all of you one day who is going to enter the profession.
What we are seeking is 1,250 Jamaicans who have a desire to inspire the next generation to achieve heights that Jamaica has not yet seen, but that we know is possible. I want you to advertise this far and wide. Let us see it everywhere that we are on the hunt for math and science teachers. We're launching a revolution in the country as far as STEM education is concerned.
A Apply for a STEM scholarship for the opportunity to get qualified to pursue a rewarding career as a STEM teacher. Find out more at www.mof.gov.jm/scholarships. Sign up for a STEM scholarship today.